Hello everyone. This video is on the topic evaluation from the artificial intelligence subject, especially for class 10th CBSE aspirants and for those who wanted to score 50 out of 50 in the AI subject. Before starting, I wanted to highlight a good news here, which is as per the CBSE circular from the session 2022-23 onwards, that is this session onwards, your marks of AI subject will be considered in calculating percentage of your board exams. Now, what does it mean? It means that apart from English and Hindi subject, that is the language subjects, the best 3 marks will be taken from the remaining 4 subjects, which are AI, Science, Maths and SST. So, students, this will help you a lot. Now, if we talk about this chapter, that is the evaluation chapter, this chapter holds the weightage of 10 to 12 marks in your 50 marks theory exam of artificial intelligence. So, let's begin up quickly. To look here, the CBSE syllabus is the introduction of the evaluation model, the confusion matrix, the evaluation score calculation, which will include the accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So in this video, I am going to cover each and every topic in detail. So let's start quickly with the term evaluation. What is evaluation? First of all, we have to understand this term. So in order to understand it, let's go back to the AI project cycle. I hope you all remember what is AI project cycle. AI project cycle, basically it consists of 5 steps in which first step is problem scoping, second is data acquisition, third being data exploration, fourth is data modeling, and last but not the least is the evaluation. So what happens in evaluation when your AI model is prepared in the 4th step, that is the modeling step, it will be tested. Yes, students, it will be tested that whether it is correct, whether it is giving correct results, whether it is predicting correctly or not. Now let us understand this concept with the help of a very simple example. That is all about you. You being the students, you all are studying in class 10th, you all are evaluated time to time. Let's say your unit tests, your half yearly, your pre-boards or your boards, right? So all the teachers, they are teaching you right from the day one, and after their teachings, that is being evaluated, isn't it? So to check your performance, evaluation is done, right? In the same case, to check the performance of the AI model, this step is being followed. So let's understand the definition. Evaluation is the process of understanding the reliability of any AI model. Reliability means whether it is accurate, whether it is giving accurate results or not, based on the outputs by feeding the testing data set. Now students, here this term is extremely important here to understand. Now what is this term? Testing data set. Now first of all, let us understand what is training data set and what is testing data set. Students, whatever the teachers teaches you, whatever questions they give you for practice, you can consider it in the training data set, right? And what is testing data set? Whatever the questions comes in examination for the evaluation purpose, that can be considered as testing data set, right? I hope you can understand the difference. So here evaluation is done on the basis of testing data set, not the training data set. This point needs to be clear here. Then there can be different evaluation techniques depending upon the type and purpose of the AI model. Now let's move ahead. The next topic is overfitting. Now in order to understand this concept, let us understand that if in your examination, whether it is unit test, half yearly, pre-boards or boards, if the teacher gives you the same questions which he or she has given in the practice sets, so most of the students will score 100 out of 100. Most of the students will predict will give the correct answers of those questions because questions are already known to them, right? Exactly the same questions. So, will that be a correct evaluation for you all? No, not at all. That will not be a correct evaluation for all. So, here is the same case that the training data and testing data both are the same. That condition is known as overfitting. Now coming towards the next topic, that is model evaluation terminologies. Students, there are two main terminologies, prediction and reality. Now the whole chapter is based on these two things. One is prediction, another one is reality. So students, as the name suggests, prediction means the output given by the AI machine, the output given by the AI model. That is prediction. And what is the reality? Reality means real scenario. What is the actual situation? So let us understand this with the help of one example. Now, students, during COVID times, one machine is invented, one AI machine is invented, which is predicting whether the patient is COVID positive or not, right? And you all know the actual results are shown by the RT-PCR tests. So, prediction means the output which is shown by the AI model. So AI model will tell that whether the patient is COVID positive or not. So that outcome is known as prediction by the AI model, by the AI machine. And when the output comes from the RT-PCR test, that is the actual, that is the reality, right? Now, after this, there are four cases related to it, right? Extremely simple four cases. The case one says when prediction is true or yes. First of all, let me here highlight that yes, true and one all are the same things, right? And no, false and zero all are the same things. I repeat, yes, true or 1 are the same things. Now students, if the AI model is predicting something true, now what is the scenario? Let me explain. There is a question is written over here. Is this a mango? So an AI machine is developed and it is trained with hundreds and lakhs of pictures of mangoes, of fruits, right? Now, after the fourth step of modeling, the AI machine is being evaluated. Now, when it is being evaluated, so there is a case when the AI machine is saying that yes, it is a mango. And in reality also it is a mango. So you can see both cases are true. Both cases are yes. So when both cases, prediction and reality, matches each other, that condition is known as TP, which is known as true positive case. Right? At the end, I will tell you one trick also to remember it. Now let's move to the second case, which is true negative case. Now in this true negative case, again this question is asked from the machine, is this a mango? So after looking to this picture, the AI machine says, no, it is not a mango. And in reality also, it is not a mango. So in both cases, the answer is false, that is 0 or no. Both the cases are false. They matches each other. So it is known as true negative case. Right? Now moving ahead to the third case. Again, it is asked from the AI machine after seeing this picture, is this a mango? Now, the AI machine on the basis of its training results is predicting yes, it is a mango. But in reality, we all can see that it is not a mango, it is an orange, right? Now, in this situation, in this scenario, this condition is known as false positive case. That is FP, false positive. And opposite to this, when the prediction is no, reality is yes. AI machine is saying no, it is not a mango. But in reality, we all can see it is a mango. So this condition is known as false negative. That is FN. Now, let me tell you the trick how to remember all these four cases because everything on this chapter ahead is dependent on these four cases. Now, see, true positive. You can see two words are there in each case. Now, for considering the first word. First word has only two options, either true or false, right? So when true will come? True will come when both cases are same. I repeat, when both cases are same, whether both are true or both are false. In both the scenarios, when both prediction and reality are same, in that case, true will come as the first word. Right? Now, let's understand positive and negative case. So, students, positive case will come when prediction is true and negative case will come when prediction is false. I repeat, positive will come when prediction is true and negative will come when prediction is false. See here, false positive. Why false is coming? Because both are opposite. They are not same. When both prediction and reality are opposite, they are not matching. Here false will come. Why positive is here? Because prediction is true. Right? In the last case, false is there because both prediction and reality are opposite. They are not same. And why negative is there? Because prediction is false, that is negative. So I hope it is clear to you all the four cases. True positive case, when both prediction and reality are true. Both are same. True negative case, when both prediction and reality are false. Again, both are same, but output is false. False positive case, when prediction is true, reality is false. And false negative case, when prediction is false, reality is true. Right? Now, moving ahead to the next very important topic, that is confusion matrix, also known as error matrix. Now, what is it, students? The result of comparison between the prediction and reality can be recorded in the confusion matrix. It allows us to understand the prediction results. Note, it is not an evaluation matrix, but a record which can help in evaluation. Now, what is done here, students? Here, all the four cases which we have studied earlier, they are simply written in the form of a table, and you all can see like we do matrix in mathematics. So here also on the left side, they have taken prediction. Here they have taken reality. Now in both the things, two options will be there. In prediction, yes, that is true. No, that is false. Same with the reality. Now, you need to match these. How they have matched? When the prediction is yes, reality is yes, case is true positive. When prediction is yes, reality is no, case is false positive. When prediction is no, reality is yes, case is false negative. When prediction is no, reality is no, case is true negative. So basically evaluation matrix means all the your data is being recorded into the matrix form. The next topic is evaluation methods. There are different evaluation matrices available to check the performance of the artificial intelligence model. So they are four in number. Let's begin up with the accuracy parameter. Accuracy in general, it is defined like, suppose somebody has given an answer, right? So we people say that my answer is 90% correct or my answer is 100% correct. If we are very sure about the answer, so we'll say like this, that my answer is 100% correct, right? So in terms of AI, accuracy is defined as the percentage of correct predictions out of all the observations. A prediction is said to be correct if it matches the reality. Obviously, then only the prediction will be correct. Here we have two conditions in which the prediction matches with the reality. Now, what are those two conditions? First condition is true positive and second condition is true negative. Let us recall about true positive condition. In true positive condition, both prediction and reality both are true, whereas in true negative condition, prediction and reality both are false. Hence the formula for accuracy becomes like that: correct predictions divided by total number of cases multiplied by 100, and the final answer comes in percentage. So as it is written below as well, that TP, that is true positive, plus Tn, that is true negative, the whole divided by all the cases, the total number of cases, that is TP plus Tn plus FP plus Fn, and the whole multiplied by 100, and hence the answer will come in percentage. Now let's move on to the next evaluation matrix, that is precision. So in precision parameter, what happens that it is the percentage of true positive case only and all the predicted positive cases. I repeat, percentage of true positive and all predicted positive. So as you can see in the formula, in the numerator, true positive cases will come, and in the denominator, all the predicted positive cases, that is true positive and false positive. Now let's recall, in true positive, both prediction and reality are true. And what happens in false positive cases? False positive case means prediction is true and reality is false. And the whole thing should be multiplied by 100. Hence, the answer will come in percentage. So this is about precision parameter. Now, after precision parameter, we have next parameter, that is recall parameter. Now, students, what is recall parameter? Recall is defined as the fraction of positive cases that are correctly identified. Now, if you notice the formula of recall, only one small change is there. Now, what is that small change? The small change is of Fn in the denominator. Earlier, you can see here in precision formula, true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. Next is recall. Recall is true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. So only one small change is there of false negative. So in recall, what is considered? False negative is considered, whereas in precision, false positive is considered, right? Now, after that, the last but not the least, we have F1 score. F1 score, also known as F score, F measure. The two other names are there of F1 score. Now what it is the measure of balance between precision and recall. So as you can see, we have already calculated precision and recall, right, in the previous slides. So 2 into precision into recall whole divided by precision plus recall is the formula of F1 score. So we have to understand this. When we will calculate F1 score, the answer will come in between 0 and 1. This is first thing. And in order that we want the answer to come in 0 and 1, we have to take the values of precision and recall in same parameters. Like earlier, I should show you here. Precision is calculated in percentage, but if you apply this value to this formula, that is in F1 score, remove the percentage part, means divide the answer by 100. So the answer will come in 0, between 0 and 1, and apply the recall value here as well. Then you will get the answer of F1 score. Now, after this, we'll do one numerical as well, so that more clarity will be there. There is one table of precision recall F1 score. So you can see the values below it. Low means low. When precision is low and recall is low, F1 score will also be low, right? When precision is low, recall is high, F1 score will be again low. When precision is high, recall is low, F1 score will be again low. And when both precision and recall are high, F1 score will be high, that is 1. Now, moving ahead to this numerical, which says calculate accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score for the following confusion matrix. Suggest which metric would not be a part of good evaluation parameter and why. So let's start this numerical. First of all, from this table, that is confusion matrix, you have to identify all the 4 values. Yes, all the 4 values, that is what is TP. So as you can see, when prediction is 1 and reality is 1, so TP will be, true positive case will be 50. Then next is true negative, that is TN. TN says when prediction is false and reality is also false, so the answer will be 25. The next one says false positive. Yes, false positive, that is FB case. When prediction is true and reality is false, that is 30, is false positive case according to this table. Then false negative. Obviously one value is left, but still when prediction is false and reality is true, then it is false negative case. So when all 4 values are there, then let's apply the formula of accuracy. The formula of accuracy says that true positive plus true negative and the whole divided by total number of cases. Yes, total number of cases. So what will be the answer here? What is the value of true positive? In this case, the value of true positive, as you can see, I have written above, that is 50. Then we'll add it to the true negative case, that is 25. And the whole, we have to divide it with total number of cases. So if I add all the four values, that is 50 plus 30 plus 15 plus 25, it will give me 120. Yes, it will give me 120. And then again, the whole is multiplied by 100, right? Again, the whole thing is multiplied by 100. So what we will get? We will get the answer as 62.5%. Yes, 62.5% will be the answer for accuracy. Now let's move ahead to the next parameter, that is precision. So what precision says? Precision says that the value of true positive, precision says the value of true positive divided by the value of true positive plus false positive. Yes. So let's apply all the values here. True positive is 50 divided by sum of true positive and false positive, that is 50 plus 30. So it will give us, and the whole thing should be multiplied by 100. So what it will give us? It will give us again the same thing, that is 62.5%. Right? 62.5% will be the answer for precision. Now, after this, the next parameter, that is recall parameter. Recall parameter, what does it say? It says the value of true positive is divided by the sum of true positive plus false negative. So what it will give? It will give 50 divided by 50 plus 15, which will give us 0.77, right? Now, for F1 score, what we have to do? I told earlier also that you will write the values of precision and recall in decimal only, because when same type values are there, answer will be absolutely correct. Now 2 multiplied by precision multiplied by recall, whole divided by precision plus recall. This is the formula. Now let's apply the values. So we will write like this: 2 multiplied by 0.62 multiplied by 0.77, and the whole value needs to be divided by 0.62 plus 0.77, right? So after applying all these values and calculating, we'll get the answer 0.68, right? So this is the value for F1 score. This is all about evaluation chapter. I hope you have understand well. If you have not understood any of the point, you can drop the message in the comment section and I'll reply to it. Thank you for watching.